In Composer, when you want to update your dependencies, you want to be within the same range. So for instance, take this Guzzle package. It's on 7.2, but I can say I've actually got installed 7.8.1. So I could just manually change this to use the latest version that I've got installed. So say 7.8.1. And I can do that for each package I've got installed locally. Or I could automate the whole thing using a command called composer bump. So all I need to do is type composer and type and bump. And what that'll do is it'll just bump up all the versions of everything you've got installed. So you can see now it's updated every reference or every package that we've got installed, and it kind of just does that in one go. So it won't go over a major version, but it will stay to the current version that you've actually got installed. So it's quite useful if you just want to make sure you're up to date, and anyone else who uses the project that you're working on uses the same versions as well.